Oh, sir, can I get your full name?
Yes, Chris Magis. Here.
Mr. Nero, I am seeing you this morning on 4 charges of domestic violence aggravated harassment. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. I will appoint the public defender's office to represent you, and you've got counsel seated next to you for this morning's hearing. I understand that we have the alleged victim on the line that wishes to be heard. If you would please unmute yourself. You may need to press *6 to do that, and then tell me your name.
Erica Cisneros.
All right, ma'am, what would you like me to know?
Hi, Your Honor. I'm the victim of the defendant, and I'm also his daughter. And I'm here to request that you set a high cash only bond or hold the defendant without release. For the following reasons, for the last 21 days, the defendant has subjected me to a pattern of systematic harassment and torture, including breaking into my investment property and attempting to steal my property title through fraud. He identifies as a sovereign citizen and has openly stated he does not recognize the court's authority. He already has violated the order of protection and has a prior federal record for mortgage fraud. He attempted to manipulate the law and having me served with an order of protection yesterday. He has a right-hand man who presents at his property, and during the arrest, he was there. So I am terrified that if he is released, he will use his associate, Jason, to do paper terrorism through the courts. So I don't know what he is capable of. I also have a pending criminal case, and would you like to have that case number?
You can just tell me about it.
Okay. It started with him breaking an entry on my investment property. He has changed the locks about 3 times, and he kept going over to the property and claiming that it was his. So the pending criminal matter of that is they were waiting to arrest him for a stop and arrest, and it took about 3 weeks to do this. So that's
Okay. And did you want to make any more of a specific request for the amount of the bond?
I'm as high as it could be. I'm not sure about that. And also, I'm gonna be going to court for the order of protection that he put on me because I already have one. So that's pretty much it, and that he is not allowed to be on my investment property.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I've reviewed all of the information provided, including the state's recommendation of a $10,000 bond. I'll hear from defense.
Yes, Your Honor, we're asking for release to pretrial or a low bond. He has no criminal history in the last 10 years. He has housing outside of obviously any victim residence. It's my understanding that she does not live in Tucson, and that there was no physical contact at all between the parties. She has consistently referred to the property that they seem to have some sort of legal dispute over as her investment property rather than as her residence. So this isn't something where he is showing up to her home and disturbing her peace, especially as she does not live in Tucson. So for those reasons, we just ask that the court consider releasing him to pretrial services with a no contact order with her.
I'm going to order a $10,000 bond. It'll be cash or secured, release to pretrial if posted, monitoring or treatment as directed, no acts of domestic violence, no contact with the alleged victim, do not return to her residence or any property owned by her, and we'll set the preliminary hearing date for March 4th. That's all, sir. You're excused.